Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about JEE Main 2021 result and mainly focusing on the JOSA, that is Joint Seat Allocation Authority. JOSA is an agency established by the Ministry of Education, formerly known as HRD Ministry, to manage and regulate the admission to 110 tertiary institutes administered by the National Government of India. JOSA 2021. Candidates who perform well in the Joint Engineering Examination need to register for the Joint Seat Allocation Authority or JOSA Counseling 2021 in order to take admission in best engineering courses across 110 participating engineering colleges that include 23 IITs, 31 NITs, 23 IIITs, and 23 other government-funded technical institutes. JOSA registration 2021 can be done by all eligible candidates who will qualify in JEE Mains or JEE Advanced for admissions in centrally funded technical institutes. JEE is being conducted 2 times by the NTA. All students who have cleared JEE Mains are eligible to apply for JOSA counseling. The JOSA 2021 registration date will be announced in the future. Important dates of JOSA 2020 were as follows. JOSA registration started on October 6, 2020, and online reporting for round 1 was from October 17 to October 19, 2020. And if you notice that the process went on till November 13, 2020, and there were multiple rounds till the seats were finally filled up. The dates of JOSA 2021 will differ from the above with respect to the JEE exam dates of 2021. JOSA 2021 registration. The authorities will start the registration process in online mode after the results are announced. Candidates are required to visit the official website and complete the registration process by entering all the required details. JOSA 2021 choice filling. After successful registration, candidates were required to fill the choice of preferred course and college. The courses and colleges for which the candidates are eligible according to their qualification will be listed out in online mode. Mock allotment. The authorities will release the first mock allotment, and then after a short while candidates will be able to access the second mock allotment result. JOSA 2021 seat allotment. The schedule of rounds of seat allotment will be published later. The seat allotment is being done based on candidates' performance in the qualifying examination. The authorities will release the JOSA seat allotment result for round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Availability of allotment letter and payment of seat acceptance fee. Applicants who are happy with seat allotment can download JOSA 2021 guiding temporary designation letter from the official site. Other than this, competitors should pay the seat acknowledgement charge. To pay the expense, competitors should download the e-challan and pay Rs 35,000. That is for general applicants, and for us it is Rs 15,000. Hopefuls can likewise pay the charge through SBI net banking. Reporting at Center for Document Verification. Aspirants who have been allotted seats have to report to their respective JOSA 2021 reporting centers for document verification. The admission of candidates who fail to get the documents verified will be cancelled. Withdrawal of seat. Candidates who choose to accept a seat during the JOSA 2021 counseling process will have the option to withdraw the seat. For this, they will be required to report at one of the reporting centers before the last round of seat allotment. Note that candidates who have exercised the withdraw option will not be considered for the next rounds of seat allotment. However, the seat acceptance fee will be refunded after deducting the processing fee of Rs 1500. Reporting at allotted institutes. Selected candidates will be required to report at the institute allotted to them. The remaining fee needs to be paid by candidates for confirmation of admission. Thank you.